Coniston Old Man in the sunshine. Coniston Old Man is my favourite hike, I think, to do in the lakes. I think there's just so much character on the hill. It's really, really interesting. There's loads of different routes. I love it to bits. Enjoy. Sat on my doorstep, acclimatising myself to the sub-zero, well, it's not, it's about 3 degrees, something like that. Probably going to be pretty windy up there, so just want to get a feel for it. Am I overdressed? Am I underdressed? Both, I think. See, Gabriel, we do have mountains and stuff. It's not just as cool as it is in South Africa. We've got a bit of scenery, look. See, up there. Four days into the trek, and that bridge there is actual size. We need some sources of protein to continue. Yeah, we're going up there, I think. I think it's that one, I'm not sure. But I'll tell you in a bit. So that massive boulder you just saw is there, I think, that erratic. And we've come up here, we've followed a pipeline, which I can't see anymore, to this little hut, which has a little engine in it and a boiler. Because there used to be cable cars when they used to mine copper on the hill. And there's your boiler. And there's a great big flywheel. But this pipe here, we followed it up the hill. It goes up there, and it goes out, and I didn't see it when I was just out then, but it does. So, it's a glorious day. Blue skies. So there's a little house that we've just been in, and there's Craig, and there's the world. And the car is actually, oh, I'm not going to be at a point, hang on, I've got my sunglasses on. Ooh, now, there-ish. More mechanism stuff. These cables. I don't think you can see them, but you're right up there. Right down here. Train tracks and stuff. And then they go right down to that pile of stuff, probably. But they haven't worked for a while, as you can probably tell. Some more tracks in there. All the roof's gone on this. You remember when it used to have a roof? Been up here a few times. And there's that hut that we were just in a minute ago. I say a minute ago. It was a bit of a walk.
The last couple of times I got the Huntington for 380, I've actually got the green
I can't see anything. I can hear stuff, but I can't see it. That's where we were. And it's over there. It's not that as a, not on the summit. It's like one of them. You get to that bit, and there's another bit, and another bit, and another bit.
We've been walking now for 60 days, non-stop, except to kill a bear. Oh.
Which you're wearing.
Yes, obviously.
That usually blocks the wind a bit. Hello, I'm sweaty. Goodness me. We're tired. What time is it now, Craig?
The time, according to Accurist, is... What time?
11:09. We set off at 10 past 9. 9:11. Yeah, 10 past 11 past, yeah. So a couple of hours. Not so good. Not so good. Not so bad, I meant. I'm losing my mind. Anyway, let's get to the top. Well, I can't see anything, so... We found some snow. Ow. Ice rather. Whew. Old man is over there somewhere. Still no idea where we are. Yeah, we're going up there. Old man's over there somewhere, along here, up there, right over there, and back down here. How many miles?
5.5.
5.5 miles. That's pretty good going so far. I'm not too sweaty now, even though I've got this stupid hat on, which is a bit too hot, if I'm honest. But you know, what can you do? Right, so this is the Levers Water Reservoir. So that's a nice bit of water. And we're not much further on than when we last recorded, about, not even half a mile, is it? I guess. What are we at now? 6.82 miles. And what is it, 8 in total, did we say?
About that.
About 8, so we've got a bit to go yet. And weather's coming in a bit. Looks like it might snow, we might be trapped out here forever. So if you never see this, I'm wasting my time. Almost home now. There's the youth hostel. And there's another one. So that was 5 hours from start to finish. I forget the last mileage check that we did. We've got
7 miles.
7 miles, something like that. So it was good. Feet and knees are a bit sore now, but I'll have to edit that video and then I'll have to do 80 press-ups. Damn. Didn't think that one through. Should have done them this morning. Anyway, I'll leave me later. Speak to me later. See you later. Bye.
And then you've got your Strew Grace with that flipping booming noise. Holy crap.